Ready to make dinner easier? Let's take a quick tour of your Dinner Daily membership. Your home screen provides a menu summary for the week, your weekly wins, and the sales period for your selected store. There is also a member bulletin with recipe swap suggestions, tips, and news. To see your detailed menu, you can either select View from the home screen or go right to a specific recipe. Your detailed menu allows you to easily review your entire plan for the week. You can also favorite a recipe or delete the entire meal. And if you ever want to swap out a recipe, just use the swap icon and select from our suggested swap options, your previously favorited recipes, your own recipes, or search for more options. You can search by ingredient, cuisine type, or even cooking style. When it's time to shop, head over to your shopping list where you can shop for all 5 meals or adjust your list for specific meals. And if printing is your thing, you can do that too. You can also edit an ingredient, add new items, or delete an item you don't need. And as you shop, simply check the item and it will be crossed off your list. You can also add your own personal recipes and then swap them right into your plan. You can also use the Dinner Daily on your desktop. The choice is yours. And if you ever want to change your preferences, you can easily do so right from the main menu here. So welcome again to the Dinner Daily. Let's get started by checking out your first menu.